Okay, I'm going to try to show another video of my helicopter here. This will just be a kind of a short video, just explaining some of the things that are going on with it. And as you can see, it's here in several pieces. There's the upper rotor. That actually came with the blue anodized aluminum head, and you can see it's got the original wings on it, or original blades. And there's my new tail boom. I've had that. You've seen video of it on there before, but the creme de la cremes, as you can see here, that's carbon fiber and anodized blue aluminum new body frame. And then it's a little tough to see back in underneath there, right above my finger. It's kind of a different shade of blue, is a heat sink for the motors. The reason I got the heat sink is because the other day I was flying it and the bottom blade quit spinning on me, and I thought that the motor was getting hot and acting funny. Come to find out, if you can kind of see at the top of the screen there, the main rotor gear is missing about 3 teeth, and it must have just hit that dead spot. This is the lower hub with the extreme blades, but I'm not real crazy about these blades. I've got them real loose right now. I thought maybe that might help things, but you can see here, right there at the tip of my thumb, there's a little ball, and that hooks into this little servo arm thing here. Now we'll look at the back one. It hooks into that little ball or socket joint on that servo arm. But by using these carbon fiber blade grips, it changes everything, and then your swash plate is uneven, and you got to do a lot of adjustment. And being a new pilot and not very good at this yet, I don't want to mess with anything too much here, even though I would think I really went overboard on this deal. So, but I just got back from Omaha, and there's my new shaft and gear. Those come as one piece, $9. And I want to go back to the original plastic blades, but last time I flew it, I broke one of these little tiny screws. They're above my forefinger there. I think you can see them there above my thumb, right above my thumb. And it just happened that I busted one of those screws, so I couldn't use my old blades. That's why I put the extreme blades back on there. But like I said, those aren't really working well for me right at this point, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back together, and then we'll give her a flight.